What's up, welcome back. It is live show week 6 of Dalton Harris on the X Factor UK 2018. And this week got quite intense, don't it, Burritos? So Dalton met with a duchess.
Oh my God. You're singing tonight for the children.
And he also sang for a good cause.
The support that I've gotten here is unlike anything ever, but I'm gonna roll with it.
But yeah, all of that is good, but let us just get down into the meat of the matter. You know, some still thinks that this announcer guy, like, him have the coolest intro them ever.
Dalton Harris!
Him next to the man who hosts Rare Never Contender. Can you imagine if Spice still use theme voice for a tell off narrow?
So yum!
So the song selected for Dalton Harris to perform this week was Feeling Good. Now, originally, I think the song was by, you know, Nina Simone.
Fish in the sea.
But you have a couple other people who have done their own covers, such as Michael Buble, Jennifer Hudson, and even the great Lauryn Hill.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel.
And so when we look on this message, no man, there's some big shoes is starting to fill in because boy oh boy, when you have to take to them song here, especially with them type of performers here, them vocalists that will do the song over already, you have to come to it with a like a 4.0 GPA type of level. You have to valedictorian the song like Miss Kitty at your graduation. Hello?
Yes!
Box cover, so the song was start and same time I was just so impressed with the camera angle, how it move right as Dalton sing. Birds them a fly high from mimic the lyrics. Yeah man, yeah, bravo, cameraman. Or camera person, camera girl.
Birds flying high, you know.
So same time I look on the stage and I forgot to say to myself, what in the Beats by Dre gated community, random geometry set iceberg is going on?
In the sky, you know how I feel.
Always when in bandana reach on the backdrop. So you see when they reach all the close-up part here, me have to say to myself, say, this is how everybody thinks of them son when them in the bathroom and I sing a man in time.
You know how I feel.
Or for some people it's more like when you move in your own house and you don't have no furniture.
Just pure echo.
Cuckoo.
It's a new day. It's a new day.
Yo people, who the pre-audio youth vocal control come like wait, I call like a human flute.
For me.
Alright, so me have to say big up to the Jamaican flag where barely make it in on the camera angle. I saw the flag jumping at the video like Veronica Campbell try to snatch a gold medal at the finish line. So now let us backtrack before Dalton exited the darkness of the wilderness. At the angriest feel-good moment this me ever seen in my life, you know. You know, like when your mother give you a piece of whooping the night before and then the next day she try to confront you up and ask you how you feeling. Come here, turn around and make me see if your hands swell up. You feel alright? At the same time when I see the youth step up, I have to say to myself, I walk a Texas Ranger sponsor him this week.
The eyes of the ranger are upon you. Any wrong you do, he's
So one next thing I noticed with Dalton, you saw them on stage, him start to reason with the audience like when them politicians they try to you know, hustle some votes from people.
A janitor, a groundsman, a gardener, a helper.
Commerce! Agriculture!
Just pure gesticulation. And so, what I want from more people to understand is that if you go over there from a semi-permeable membrane through to the osmosis and the diffusion, that will be $14.57 million that will be indoctrinated into the community. Boy, that never make no sense. Big up to them people here in the audience. Them finally learn how to wave to the rhythm this week. Round of applause for them people here. Them stop work on shift. You see all this part right here, so? You see if your ears them never bust a oral blank, then be sorry for to break it to you.
But you suffer from ears wax.
You see all Dalton Judge Louis, every time when Dalton dey on stage, he must pre the other judge them like he want to show off on pop style pan them like, yeah, look for me. Yep, want to catch you, look for me because yeah, I have the best team in the competition. At one point, Mr. Dalton do this.
You know what I
It reminds me of when you drive down one of them bad old country road that is just riddled with potholes. And it is also the same thing when we do when people kind of randomly ask me for money out the road. About that. No. Also, one next thing that I noticed, I do not know why Dalton insists on sign languaging while he is hard singing. Like legit, if you put the brother on mute while he must sing, you can still understand 100% what the lyrics them are saying.
In this old world is a new world, and a bold world for me.
You see, any day, name day that sign language interpreter will always work for the government video them, give up for your job, resign or go on vacation leave. Dalton can take a job quick and fast like when girl get mixed up in their dream. Ciara, what do you think we're going right now?
Level up, level up.
And level up he hard did. You see that the part, yeah? You see that the part there? It remind me of when Nicole Scherzinger from Pussycat Dolls was her singing the Phantom of the Opera. Same way she go down in the note. Box cover at one point, Mr. Dalton on the high knees while he climb more imaginary stairs while his voice is out traveling on the vocal elevator. Wow, wow, you tell me now, wow. And if you've been watching my reviews each week, you know so when the kicking start, it is big notes time. Oh, jeez, I'm just on myself from my face. Jeez. Same time the falsetto force Lego. The youth start for way up, stay up, like same name, ching ching.
Your dance name, way up, stay up, way up.
Boy, oh boy, all them one bag of kicking ya, you know what it mean, people wouldn't know what it mean. You see when I said Dalton, midway before the note go hand Lego, the Scooby-Doo face? I said to myself, hang up, party done. People, you see the way all Dalton belt out the note there? The season changed from summer to winter to Boxfoot. That the note they knock off all of him haters them data plan. Down to the national hero them have to jump out of them coffin when them are heard that. You see the way old Dalton is a true star? Down to the sun after go dress back so him can take the light. And all that me glad this curvy diva jumped in and show fair support. But yeah, Dalton did an amazing performance, like one of the best performances I've seen on any talent show, and I just feel proud to say this young man is from Jamaica. I keep on saying Jamaica have one bag of talent, and Dalton is no exception, and I just feel proud to just hear people talk about a Jamaican talent like this. I know the week has been really, with some unnecessary drama, and it was just, I don't know, when you hear the crowd and the applause and how people were just so in awe of him talent, and then you kind of flash back to the drama that went on in Jamaica, for some little trivial type of stuff that only in a Jamaica that would have been like a big excitement, big headline. It make you really just understand exactly why, like a lot of people say that they never get support in Jamaica. Like the artists them always talk about it. When them go to China, people love the reggae music. When them come to Jamaica, people even have fought on them. You see to the same bolt how, but just the Jamaican cover, but you see how people can just be loved, outside of them country, and them country that should be supporting them and should be, like really being a source of encouragement and strength, can really spit in them face at some of the worst time. It's a life lesson, people. So when you reach one man, just know say your day might come and it might reach you too. Somebody might speak on you when you do your thing and do your best. But yes, just listen to the audience and just hear how them clap for them usual 3 minutes. Ida, she did a try jump in and for a talk. The audience just make pure nice, pure applause, pure excitement.
What can I say? I'm just gonna stand up.
Then Ida's husband, Robbie Williams, him jump in and he said this.
You are not only a star, I think you could be an absolute mega star.
Then Simon, he went on to say this.
The whole point of a show like this is to give people like you an opportunity to show what you're capable of.
And Louis Tomlinson from One Direction, his team advisor, mentioned, like how proud he is of Dalton in the competition.
And I think you've come out fighting every single week. You've got better and better and better. And you are a star. You deserve to be in the final.
No, but sure, people wouldn't know at this point in time, so Dalton definitely needs to win it, that he is definitely the star material. And someone to implore, that want to make sure a certain vote tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. I'm gonna say tomorrow or today, depending on when I upload the video. But yeah, Burritos, make sure to stay tuned into the results show on Sunday at around 3 o'clock. We're going to put information so you can be voting during the competition, because you need to go through to the finals and you need for votes. So all the people that are in the UK, you can vote by downloading the XFACTOR UK app. It is in the Play Store, so make sure to download it. If you are outside of the US and you want if you're outside of the UK and you want to vote, the information is down in the description. If you're in the UK, you can call with the numbers them that I'm going to put on the screen right now. In voting number, I think it was 3. I don't know if it's going to be the same, but just tune in so you can find out all the information, people. We need everybody to tell somebody so we can ensure the brother win the competition. Okay, people. Well, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, ensure you give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button. Also, to leave a comment, let me know what was your favorite part of the competition. And also to make sure if you're new, to subscribe. And if you have relatives who love Caribbean content, tell them to subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe. I don't want to know, so watch the video them, and then when them done, they're like, oh, I'm the Dirty Berry. I'm gonna see no more something from me. Subscribe. Okay, because you never know when they might have a competition that is called the YouTube Switzerland. I'm gonna enter. I don't want to just run in like run in for that time. I want to make sure they're there from a long time and support me. Alright? Okay, if you want to follow me on social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. If you want to email me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time, people. Yo, Berry, I order a slice of bread for.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Yes! Yes, the box foot.